2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse pricing leaked. We also now know how much those gorgeous carbon fiber wheels will set you back. Citing sources familiar with the matter, a new report from Ford Authority claims to have uncovered pricing for the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse, and it says the pony car will start at a base price of $57,970. That makes it $1,400 costlier than the 2023 Mustang Mach-1, which is now the current range's priciest trim after the departure of the GT500 for the 2023 model year. That's not too bad, considering that the 2023 Mach-1 produces 470 horsepower, down from 480 in earlier models due to emissions regulations, and the Dark Horse will offer a nice round 500 ponies. The 700A equipment group will also reportedly cost a little more, plus $500, than it does on the current Mach-1 at $2,595, but thankfully, that's where the increases seem to end. The appearance package will set buyers back $1,250, the handling package will add $4,500 to the final price, and the Recaro bucket seats will cost $1,650. The option of a 10-speed automatic will also remain the same as on the 23 Mach-1 at $1,595. Finally, we have the carbon fiber wheels exclusive to the Dark Horse. These will allegedly cost $8,495. Is that exorbitant? Let's see. The last Mustang to offer carbon fiber wheels was the above-mentioned GT500, as part of the discontinued carbon fiber handling package, which cost $18,500 for the 2021 model year. The package added those wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Cup Sport 2 rubber, as well as a carbon GT4 track wing, adjustable strut top mounts, leather-trimmed Recaro seats, splitter wickers, a wheel lock kit, and a rear seat delete. Individually, the replacement cost for a carbon fiber front wheel on the GT500 was $7,015.82, and a rear wheel cost $5,700, taking the total for a set past $25,000. At under $8,500 for the option of carbon wheels on the Dark Horse, the choice of lightweight wheels seems like a bargain, but it is worth remembering that replacing components, or adding them post-sale, can often be far more expensive than specifying them from the factory. With that in mind, we're confident that replacement carbon wheels will be just as expensive on the Dark Horse, if not more so. This is especially true given the unique composition of these wheels and the fact that they feature the traditional wheel nut between each spoke due to new construction. And don't forget, these prices could still change. Supply chain issues continue to plague the auto industry, forcing the Blue Oval to increase prices. Also, these prices are not yet official. In addition, the threat of a global economic downturn could even bring prices down if Ford finds itself struggling for sales. Not that this seems likely, the reception to the most powerful naturally aspirated Mustang to date has been largely positive.